Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Legion Among Mortals, chapter 194. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojin and Muxi. The two of them are experiencing heavy snow right now. Feels the snow. This is the things that Muxi wants to feel. Right now, this is the first snow on this year. Muxi said to Xiaojin. Well, Muxi, she seems to be happy. But looking at Xiaojin, she looks really amazed. Wow, it's snowing so hard. It's so thick. Xiaojin, be careful not to sleep. Muxi said to her. Xiaojin, Muxi, let's build a snowman, okay? Okay, but I'm not very good at stacking. Xiaojin said, but I can. Well, right now, she is really working hard. Now, she rolled the snow. It seems that it was really big. Xiaojin, she was really enjoying stacking the snow so that the two of them can make a snowman. Well, what a really talent. Since Xiaojin, she really wants to do it. Right now, it's already finished. Well, it's look really cute. Right now, Xiaojin said, well, it was not easy. It's cute, Chavi. Oh, really? Now, Xiaojin is really unwilling. But right now, Muxi, close your eyes. And I'm going to cheat. Oh, what is she trying to do? Right now, Xiaojin, is she really getting tricky? Can you open your eyes? But no, just wait a little longer. Just a little while. And that's it. Finally, Xiaojin allows her to open her eyes. Xiaojin uses spiritual power to do this. This is also, well, Muxi. She was really puzzled. Xiaojin can do anything, especially things like this. So cute, they look so affectionate. Those two little ones can be. Xiaojin said, hey, hey. Well, they all really know who is the person it is. My confession has been successful, so what should I wish for? Xiaojin said to her. Right now, they look really serious. You see, I don't know what Xiaojin will promise. They have already thought about it. Oh, this is really the sweetest. Did they really want to confess on a heavy snow like this? Well, it's really romantic, right? Right now, the two of them are holding each other's hand. And the snow is still falling heavy. But right now, the two of them close to each other. Bailijin said, then I've thought about it. Oh, right now, we really make a plan. Just right now, the two of them kiss each other at the heavy snow. My wish is very simple, but it's also very difficult, Xiaojin said to her. Well, what could it be? I want to be by your side all the time. Well, this is the sweetest thing, Xiaojin tells to her. Well, let's hope the two of them will become together and forever. Well, back to Bui's house. Right now, she's still on her apartment and waiting for Sisi. Oh, look at her. Since it was snow heavily, two of them didn't go out, but stay at home. Well, Sisi, right now, she already finished washing. Bui is asking her. Well, finally, she is done. The two of them went to in the bedroom. In Bui, since it was heavy snowing, finally she closed the curtain. Well, it was really cold, but right now, You said I was looking at the snow. Seen just now, it was quite beautiful. Well, she was also amazed and puzzled. Right now, since she is on the mood, I'm teasing Sissy. But as soon as I see you, I have something more I want to do. Oh, she's getting tricky. Right now, Sissy, suddenly blushing away. Now, Sinbui, she wants to play around. She was caressing her face. Although, Sissy right now, she can hold herself. Suddenly, move closer to Bui. Right now, she kissed her. Well, the two of them, finally, is getting better. And Bui, since she is the one who's teasing her, Sissy, she get her fin down on the wall. Well, for Sinbui, she can do anything. But the response on Sissy, she was really serious about pinning her down. Although, right now, this is Hans, exploring everywhere. Well, it makes Sinbui to feel better and better. But right now, Bui is trying to hold her hands. Well, probably want to stop it. For Sissy, she is pressing and holding it. Well, could it be that Sinbui want to tease her? Sinbui said, "You don't want?" Well, now, look at her. She looks really mischievous. What is she going to do? Right now, she suddenly pushed away Sissy. Well, this is getting tricky. Although right now, Sissy falls down on the bed. Well, Sinbui, she feels different. That's why right now, she is the one who's heading Sissy. Well, a flame mode change. And right now, Sissy, she really gets puzzled on what will Bui is gonna do to her. Both of them are getting tricky. But for Sinbui, right now, she suddenly kneeled down on the floor. Well, what is she gonna do? Sinbui, this is the first time she become persevere towards approaching Sissy. The night is still so long. Anyway, Sinbui said to Sissy. Right now, Sissy, she was really blushing. Sinbui, she become affectionate. Although, Sissy, let's try something different first, shall we? Looking the face of Sinbui, want to tease her so much, but right now, Sissy is really blushing. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!